everyone, Amanda again. Oh, thanks for joining me. So I've got some happy mail today. So first of all I thought, oh, Amazon, I hadn't ordered out from Amazon. Then I realised that somebody had very cleverly recycled the box, which is what I do, so so let's have a look. So it's obviously somebody sent me something. Look at this fab paper. How cool's this? It's like waffle. This will be using that. Oh, we've got a little card here. I've no idea who it's from, so let's have a look. Look at that. That's cute, isn't it? Let's have a look. Quick read. Gosh, it's like an essay. Hold on. Just bear with me. It's from Lynn. Oh, fabulous. So I remember having a conversation, I can't remember when it was quite recent, with Lynn about how to, I think, did it start talking about how to keep your signatures straight and in line when you're sewing them in when you're making a journal, because she was struggling. So I told her, you know, you can use the, you know, the fold of a book or whatever. And I also told her about the kind of journal cradles that I've seen people's husbands make. I know Andrea Allen, who's Artie Mays, her husband made her one. So I was telling Lynn, and I said, if you've got an husband that's that way inclined, you might be able to get him to make you one. And according to the card, he has. So, and she sent me one. So let's have a look. I'll just put that to one side a minute. Let's have a look, because this is exciting. Look at all this lovely free packaging she's sent me. So let's have a look what he's come up with. So this is to help you finding, you know, doing your journals. Oh, look at that. Oh, he's even stained it. What a clever bunny. How well made is that? Perfect. So when you... Let me just get a signature. I ain't got a journal because I never have any because I send them all out. But so here's a signature, for example. So what this, in case you don't know what it is, you're like, what is that, Amanda? So you've got a little gap there, and what you can do is put your journal and your signatures in, and it just keeps it at the right angle for putting your holes. Putting your holes in. Absolutely brilliant. Really good. And obviously you can butt it. He's even put a piece there, so you can butt it all right up like that, so it stays in the right kind of position. And you know, because what I normally do is I have clips and I've got all sorts balancing it about. So that is brilliant. And so every time then, and the other reason is that sometimes you can be poking your holes through and you think you've got the middle, and then you look at the other side and the needle's coming out here instead of on the crease, you know, if you're thinking, well, what's the point? So with that gap there, pushing that crease right in, so you're going to be confident every time that when you're putting your needle through there, it's going to come out here instead of over here. So that is a very useful tool, and that is a clever husband. My husband, God love him, I've no chance of getting anything done, because once he comes home he's that shattered. He don't even do anything. I'm surprised I don't take his coat off for him, he's that tired. So so Lynn, tell your husband I am, look how well that's made as well. See, look at that. I'm super grateful for that, and that I will use that. That will be very, very useful. Thank you. Thanks for that free tissue as well. I'll reuse it, don't worry. Won't get wasted. I'll probably reuse the box as well, and the bubble wrap and the paper. But you know that already, don't you? So it did say on the card that she'd sent me a few bits, so let's have a look what she sent me, bless her. You didn't have to. I can't believe you've sent me that. That is so kind and so thoughtful. Yeah, that's really gonna help me. It looks like a bit of skating board or a bit of tongue and you know, tongue and groove that slots together. It's fabulous. What a great job! And I can't believe I'm going on about it, but he stained it and everything. Lovely, thank you. Let's have a look. Oh, look at this. Well, this obviously is from London. Now, this couldn't have come at a better time because I'm doing a travel journal. I can see this ending up in my travel journal. Lynn, I can. Let me just fold it and see. Yeah, that's going to go in my travel journal. So what she sent me here. Oh, bless her. So we've got these little shapes that she's made. I don't know if the die cuts or punches, but well, those are dies for you. Oh, thank you. Oh, that's nice. Relax, and it's got a little flower on. Life is good. These are great, these. Thank you. Now we'll go in my hoard vault for a while. Thank you, Lynn. That's ever so kind. What we got here? Oh, look at this. This is lovely. It's a tag pocket by the look of it. That's a lovely idea, isn't it? I like that flower. And what we got in, we've got some little bits of ephemera in there, and look at that little banner. That's a lovely idea. I like that. I've got these shapes as well, and I never use them because I can never think what to do with it, but that is fabulous. In fact, I might die cut some of those because I've got some, and like I say, I can never think what to. I never thought to, you know, just use them as a like a journaling card. Fabulous. Thank you. See, you get ideas everywhere off everybody. That's lovely. And then she's used them again as little tags. I would never have thought to use that shape for that. So I'm going to be stealing that idea, Lynn. That's nice. Look at that. Is that wallpaper? I think that's wallpaper. That's got lovely like texture on it. Look at that. It's fab. I think it is. I think it's wallpaper. But what a great idea to use as a little. You know, you could put a little strip on the back and have that as a flip, or just slip it in a pocket. I'd never ever thought to use that shape. You know, I had one of those, why didn't I think of that moments? Oh wow, look at these handmade double bows. Those are lovely. I wonder if she's made these to sell and given me one. Those are really lovely. I love that colour. And they've got these lovely sparkles in. Ah, thank you. I'll save those. Because they've got that green theme, I'll save those for when I'm doing something that's got a lot of green in. So they'll go in my hard vault. Those are lovely. Double layered. Perfect. Thank you ever so much. That's really thoughtful, and how cool's that? Perfect. I'm absolutely made up with that. Thank you. So there you go. Just thought I'd share that happy mail with you, and give my thanks to Lynn and Lynn's crafty husband. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.